Hello guys and welcome to another vlog. So the reason we're in Mexico this week is because it's Gabby's and I 1 year anniversary, so I wanted to do something nice for her. So I decided to book a trip to Mexico, and now we're here in Riviera Maya. The last time I did a vlog, we were in Miami, and I took her there for her surprise birthday trip, which was also nice, but I think that this week we wanted to do something where we could just relax, sit on the beach, and just spend some time together rather than walk around the whole time and go exploring. We found a nice swing here. Oh, this is amazing. Come join. Life doesn't get any better than this. So today we're gonna have a beach day, and what better way to start than show everyone how the beach looks. So the beach at this resort, it's a little bit different than what we're used to. Usually when we go to the beach, it's this big long beach that stretches for miles. The one over here, as you can see, it's a bit more secluded. It's like a little bay type of shape. So you don't really get those big ocean waves, and the water is relatively calm, so it's very, very clear. And it's kind of nice because then you get this little pier over here behind me that you can just relax and walk on. But overall, I'm pretty impressed with this resort. The resort that we're staying at is called the Catalonia Riviera Maya. It's not as big as, let's say, a Riu or a Star or a Barcelo, but it's a decent size to where you still have a lot of entertainment and a lot of areas to relax and enjoy the beach from. So we took the opportunity to show you guys how incredibly beautiful and clear the water here is. I don't think I've ever seen water this clear besides for Isla Mujeres in Mexico. I mean, there's cleaner water than this, but for Mexico, this is pretty good. Right? Are you impressed? There's a lot of things to do at this resort. We got catamarans over here, kayaks in the back. You can go, what is this? Scuba diving, snorkeling, kayaking. I just said that. What else? Jet skiing. So I think this will be an interesting video. We still have to decide what we want to do for the rest of the day. But right now we're just relaxing and enjoying this weather. You don't get this in Chicago every day. So blowing up floaties starts off with a glass of Prosecco, in case you want to make it a little bit easier. We're ready to blow up our pretzel. It's a little bit melted from the sun. What are we gonna do today? Kayak, catamaran, snorkeling, which one?
Jet ski.
You want a jet ski?
Yacht party.
What's up? Yacht party? Where are you taking me?
Back to get our stuff so we can go snorkeling.
So this is that reef that I was talking about, and as you can see, the water's crystal clear and there's a lot of fish in here. So why waste more time? I'm gonna go get those snorkeling goggles, the GoPro, and we'll go inside for a spin and I'll show you guys all the fish that are in here. Came back from the beach, we went snorkeling, but Gabby's getting ready. As you can see, I already got ready. Took me 15 minutes. Gabby's still in there drying her hair, but we're going to go and get some dinner. Today we're just gonna go to the general restaurant area, but for our anniversary I'm letting Gabby pick. See, when you get here you have a choice of Japanese, Mexican, Spanish, Brazilian, or American. And speaking of her getting ready, once she does get ready, we're gonna make a lookbook video, kind of like I did for my sister when we were in Puerto Vallarta. Alright guys, so we captured some really good footage of Gabby. She looks like top model right here. Can you remind everyone to subscribe?
Subscribe.
No, you gotta be more enthusiastic. I need more energy. Thank you for watching the vlog. Don't forget to smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I embarrassed her.
Stay